Tcode.
What is Python? Python is general-purpose programming language made by Guido van Rossum and released in 1991. The name, Python language programming, came from an old BBC television comedy sketch series called Monty Python's Flying Circus. Python, used in variety of applications. It includes high-level data structures, dynamic typing, dynamic binding, and many more features that make it as useful for complex application development. And Python is widely used for web development, software development, mathematics and system scripting. So, why is Python more popular from other programming languages? Compared to other programming languages, Python has syntax similar to the English language, which made easier to learn for beginners and developers to code. In Python, semicolons or parentheses and data type can be removed because Python itself identifies the data type according to the number or characters. And it uses a new line to complete a command. So we can get rid of more consumption of time, development, and it resembles actual English. Python libraries. Python has many useful libraries that make the development work easy. Programmers don't have to write the entire code from scratch, but instead, they can just import a library to perform complex tasks. And Python can run in every platform and used in IoT. So this reason, Python is used for automate different kind of applications, including AI. Python has a lot of tools, packages, and modules to support the automation of applications quickly. And Python has a lot of active communities across the world. So people can share their coding problems and get solutions. So these features make Python more demand and used in most of companies. Python never gets stuck or retain, it will remain on its trend. Thanks for watching. If you love this video, hit subscribe and give it a like.